Welcome to Blueprint for Timeless Designs. Bought a new property, a house, an office, a shop, a cafe, a salon or restaurant? Congratulations! But you may be confused on interior designing because when you do it yourself, then you are juggling with various options, colors to use, various materials available in market, finalizing contractors, following up with them, and finally checking their quality of work, which is a daunting task and moreover frustrating at times. So you may think of hiring an interior designer. The big question is, should you or should you not? The answer to this is we spend one third of our life either home or office. So all the designs have to be carefully, meticulously, well thought in every inch of space, considering your safety as a key factor. With experts, you have quality, assured service, safety, and moreover, peace of mind. We are responsible for design circulations in room, interior partitions, suspended ceilings, furniture, fixtures, equipments, finishes, and decor. This is where Blueprint comes into picture. With Blueprint, you are relaxed and out of worries. At Blueprint, we understand your needs, culture, lifestyle, and aspirations for your dream property. Home is where the heart is. Heart comes where there are emotions. Emotions come with different characters. Every space has a character, but not everyone can give that life and character. So we at Blueprint can give your house or office that character and life. With Blueprint, you are assured to save your time and money because we execute the project in a systematic way with strict timelines in a specific budget and deliver it hassle-free. Wow! Excited? After listening to so many benefits, call us now. Blueprint is an exclusive interior design company which is full service interior design company right from designing to execution for residential, commercial and industrial projects.